How do you play spiccato? Well, in this video, I'm going to share my thoughts on how you can play spiccato and some easy tips for you to kind of keep in mind in the practice room. Stick around to the end of the video, you don't want to miss this. Hi there, my name is Eric and I'm dedicated to helping you become a better violinist. If you're here for the first time on the channel, thank you so much for coming across the channel. If you haven't done so already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. That way you get notified for when new violin videos come out. It also helps me out as a content creator to provide more videos for you. Let's define spiccato. What is spiccato? Well, spiccato is kind of in the same family as staccato and sautille. You use it in the same part of the bow. However, the difference between staccato and spiccato is that spiccato, you still grip the string, but you take the bow off the string as you play. So with staccato, you play on the string, and you are clearly stopping in between each note, depending on whatever the music it is. And with spiccato, it's the same stroke, but we lift the bow off the string. There are a few key elements that I want you to keep in mind as we work on spiccato together. The similarities between staccato and spiccato is that you have to grip the string as you are playing. But in the spiccato world, we have to set from the string and then pull the string. And this is happening on a micro level. And then when we play a little bit faster, you might hear a little bit of that gripping of the string, that little sound. And on a micro level, I am releasing the string, I'm placing the bow on the string, and I release. And of course, I'm over-exaggerating the clicking sound to make the point across, but in a faster tempo, and depending on the articulation, you could even go as articulate. But again, it depends on the music that you're playing. Second piece of advice that I would give you is the spiccato motion. It is not a horizontal motion like it is staccato. Spiccato, you are going to be using more of a U-shaped with the hand and the forearm. And you may notice if I do this, if I do spiccato horizontally, I'm not going to get the gripping of the string on the up bow. So I would like to grip each bow stroke, whether it's down bow or up bow. And this helps by having a U shape. So, not to mention that you will achieve a nice resonant sound out of your instrument if you do it the U shape, because sound does not travel horizontally. It travels vertically at an angle. And we actually, whenever I'm playing, the F holes are going up, you know. If we think about it, literally, the F holes, if we want the sound to go horizontally, the F holes would be right on the rib here, but it's not. It's on the top of the instrument, which allows the sound to go upwards. So this is why a lot of the bow strokes that I teach on the channel is, you know, really making sure that the bow has this upward feeling. Now, my last tip and my third tip of this video is to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, the third tip of the video is making sure that your fingers are engaged in spiccato. So it's not enough just to kind of get the bow in the U shape and trying to grip it. If I allow the fingers, if you might notice, I'm using all the joints of all my fingers, including my thumb here, to grip the string. And I can get a more articulate sound by activating the motion of the joints in my right hand fingers. So to recap, make sure that you are gripping the string as such. Make sure that you have a nice U-shape motion, so that way we get a nice sound while we do spiccato. And last but not least is to use the fingers to help activate all those sounds and in this bow stroke. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked this video and if it has helped you, please leave a comment down below how you play spiccato, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notifications. That way you get notified for when new videos come out. Again, this video is not sponsored, so your subscription really helps out the channel. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the next video.